This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your device and a stable connection. Aim for at least 5 Mbps for HD. Next, launch the YouTube website or app and sign into your account so purchases or watch history sync. Once signed in, use the search bar or paste the movie URL directly. This reduces scrolling and ensures you land on the correct title. If the movie is paid, check the purchase or rental button now so you can continue without interruption. After locating the movie, decide whether to buy, rent, or watch the free with ads option. Each has different availability windows. Once selected, pick playback quality, 1080p for sharp visuals, 720p to save bandwidth, and turn on subtitles if you need them. Also verify audio language and any director commentary tracks. If you're watching on a larger screen, use the cast or AirPlay button to stream to your TV. These choices ensure best viewing and prevent mid-film adjustment delays. Press play and confirm any payment prompts immediately so playback begins without delay. Wait for buffering to reach a steady state before full screening. Use the timeline to skip trailers or intros, toggle closed captions, and set playback speed if you want faster viewing. Once the movie finishes, check your rentals or purchases in library for access windows. If playback stutters, reload the page, clear the app cache, or reduce resolution. These fixes resolve most common streaming issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.